Welcome to the world of Andrew Ginn.
Andrew Ginn fashioning the world. It's exciting to see this exhibit in a place with such a rich history. This is art that you can wear.
That is something so special for me, and so it is actually something that's done global, but through the lens of America.
Andrew feels so strongly about slow fashion, and you will see it in every stitch, every bead, every crystal. I can't wait for you to see it. Hope we'll see you here.